Hey everyone, and welcome back to Construction Simulator in Europe during the Grandstand level for the Stadium DLC. Hi guys.
That's the longest title I've ever heard.
Hey, I didn't design the game. That's what they did. We are getting close to the end. Hopefully, I think we might even get it done today. Got to get some steel elements delivered, plus these purpley things have to be done. Can I leave these?
Are we doing? Do we get to paint it at the end? I wonder.
Ooh,
I don't think so.
We may be able to, get a big paint bomb out. Maybe that's about it. So, can I ask you to grab a crane and get this off of me? This red thing.
I don't see anything.
Oh no, not that again.
Are you glitched? You don't see this?
I'm like vanilla Bon sweets.
Okay, so I will turn this round and get
I don't know
off.
if he's going to be doing that then. Maybe it'll be you doing it, Donut.
And then there's a second mobile crane calling your name.
I'm already there, and I'm already poised to pick this lovely purple beast up, so you guys can.
Lovely purple beast.
All right, can you see that now? Did it turn up?
See what?
There should be 4 of them. 1, 2, 3,
Well,
and
I'm going to assume
this
that you guys are going to work that out, and I'm going to work out where to get some steel beams. Maybe
I might be doing some craning, heaven knows.
I'm going to assume it's going to be at the steel yard, maybe.
Did you just get... Oh, you took it with you. I was like, oh my goodness. It was sunk into the ground. I had a little panic moment.
Past Us has left a crane at this yard, and I thank Past Us for that. So that should,
future karma for Past Us.
that should make it... Oops, I think I just slammed into our crane. Oh well.
Lionel, do you want me to set up, close up the other one so that you can get some of these?
Could you use this and grab the third pallet of metal elements?
So there's 4 of them. There's one here. Do you see the one in front of me?
I don't see any of them, so you'll have to grab them.
Really? Okay, yeah. Oh, I can just go in this
I don't know. Wait, where's the steel elements that we need to grab?
I am currently purchasing them.
Oh, okay. Well, that could help. Here, you can get into that other crane.
Oh, this is
now,
cool.
And then
This is
I'll
very
just stay
cool.
In my one. Where are they at?
They're hanging from a crane.
What?
You heard me.
See, I gotta see this.
Can I get both sets onto the here at once? I don't know if I can. Maybe I can. We'll give it a go. While I do this, I'll throw out there, don't forget to like, subscribe, all that cool stuff. Seems like we're doing, on average, a concrete episode than a crane episode, so if you like...
It's been 2 cranes in a row, hasn't it?
Yeah, so if you want to see some concrete action, subscribe, and then you can see that maybe in the next episode or so. If you want to see some...
No tower cranes, only mobile cranes.
Yeah, that's not gonna work. All right, so
I'll go somewhere else for tower crane content.
If you don't know, we are anti-tower crane. We don't believe in tower cranes. We believe that the
only in the power of the mobile crane.
The way
I
that
can't do this one for some reason. Oh, this is so painful.
the way that you should be booming is up and down, not back to front.
Backseat craning.
So I'm going to try to back this kind of close to you, and then you can...
Why would I have to run to your computer?
Oh, look at this!
Oh no!
Oh, I'm just going to say that I am the best backer in the world.
Yo! Tell that ATS.
Oh no! Whoops.
Nicely done, crew.
There's only one here.
Yeah, I couldn't get both on it.
I might need some help.
No.
Up and down.
You saying physically you got a problem?
Is it a skill issue? Is it?
It's totally a skill issue. No question.
I say, is your PC having problems, or is your
No, the operator.
gameplay?
What is going on? Down on the right stick. Down on the right stick. Down on the right stick. There you go. Now up on the left stick.
I am
Down on the right
so
stick.
appreciative of leaving a crane at this steel plant to make it super easy.
Oh my goodness, that was painful.
That took years off my life.
So what was your problem? What was the issue?
It was a skill issue, actually.
So much of a skill issue. Just so we know for future, let's not do that again.
That purple one was just invisible.
I literally jumped out of that crane, so...
This is why we have a designated crane person, you know?
Yeah, that's right, exactly.
So the thing about the mobile crane versus the tower crane is up and down has a different effect.
Alright, so are we into the steel elements now? These things?
That's what Donut's bringing in right now.
Okay, cool. Good. So that's all that's to be done?
I would like to point out my backing twice in a row has not hit anything.
Oh, I'm so proud of you.
Well,
you fix yourself so badly.
Sometimes we're just inside the truck, I suppose.
Is that another karma issue?
Hey!
Too slow.
Let me crane. No.
You had all the chances.
I was waiting for you to get out. Actually, you backed into me, so.
Oh, we just missed it.
Are you going to go for a ride?
I'm not anymore. It's fine. I'll get over it in time.
I'm ready.
Let's catch it. Let's catch it, Lionel.
You two are an ocean nightmare.
I just want to see what
hats
happens.
on, it'll be okay.
Ooh, fancy stuff turned up.
How are we still in this thing?
I don't know. I can't clear the marked area.
We're both stuck inside the material.
Is this what it's like to be in that movie?
Which movie?
The one where you're in the walls?
What?
What are you talking about?
The one with,
The wall people?
The people in the walls, you see.
Oh, that was fantastic.
Oh, wow, look at this.
Whoa, I'm glad we don't have to concrete this.
Uh-oh.
Fast forward to a clip where we have to concrete this at the end.
Oh, there's still more stuff to unpack too. Oh, this is cool. Oh, wow. So
you're going to do the frames first and then the beams? Is that right?
We
Two full frames?
We definitely want to do this in a good order. So...
Well, it said
I wonder which are the two that are the edges.
Yeah, because it said 2 frames and then the rest of
How would the tower crane do this? I don't think it would have.
Gusto.
I don't think it would have
No,
reached.
it's fine, because you just... No, because that's the whole point of the tower crane. Because it's over the top of everything, so you're literally just going backwards and forwards. That's why I like it.
I get
I
the height, but I don't think it had the reach.
No, maybe not, but it was pretty long, though.
Big fan of mobile cranes, personally.
I'm a tower crane enjoyer.
You're anti-crane in general.
Well, I'm not against cranes per se. It's just that they're not for me.
We may... I can't reach it by literally like a foot.
Sounds like a you problem. I can just do it.
Yeah, I can't reach it by like a foot.
If you want me to move that one, you can use this crane if you'd like.
I'm ready for my...
We're 92% done, guys.
Yeah.
We're the best.
It took us 37 episodes.
You know what? Just rounding down, you know.
I could make some joke about it would be in base 6 or something.
Felt like 37 episodes. This it was much harder than it needed to be.
I kind of ruined my own joke there because I said 37 and I said base 6, so there is no 7 with base 6.
Base 37. Oh, get out of my way. I'm craning it.
I'm craning here. Alright, that was disastrous. We should not do that.
Crane deniers.
Right, this is pretty unique. You don't get to do this much in the game.
Yeah. This is DLC behavior.
I think it's probably one of the better DLCs from content. Saying that though, we never really finished the airport, and then we didn't finish the spaceport, so I don't really have much to compare to because I haven't done the other ones.
Maybe we should go back.
Yeah.
Here I am standing here waiting for someone to pick up this beam.
You want to go for a ride?
I think I'm on the frame. Am I on the frame? I don't know.
So let me get this last one. Might be wise for me to do it.
Would you like to do the last one?
I think it's wise if I do it.
Okay.
Stop hitting me!
On your
I'm
side.
trying to back up.
You bully! Alright.
Ooh, it's so exciting!
Alright, you are a long way up.
Oh, it's a nice view up here. I see our competition has quite a few beams on theirs as well.
Yeah, they argue that we're copycatting.
Is the opposing team that corn over there?
Yeah. Absolutely.
Aw,
The crossover we all asked for and deserve.
Corn Simulator.
Oh my goodness. I am on it still.
How did you manage to stay there?
It says place steel frames 1 of 2 for me.
Yeah, it's over here on the
Yeah.
left. I have to move.
Oh, so you didn't have to grab that last one.
No,
Maybe
actually,
I can reach it.
no, it's I can pick it up, but I can't.
Oh, okay, because the piece is there. Okay, I see it on the ground there. Oh, no! Ooh. Crunch. That's my ankles breaking, in case you're wondering. The dulcet tones of broken ankles.
Alright, let's try this again. Moving it across.
Do it, Lion. You got this.
I don't know where I'm putting what.
They go in between these things, and you can't do it yet because I've got to put this big triangle thing in.
Oh, I see.
Come on, pick it up. There we go. Yeah, I couldn't reach around the corner here.
Oh, there's
Oh, I
another piece
see.
down here too.
Oh, they're all the way up there. I don't think I can reach either.
I assume we're going to put a crossbar on it, and then the lighting
There's a
grid.
light. Yeah, the light is over here.
Yeah, the light grid will be in the middle on the diagonal. I refuse to accept that the tower crane may have been the proper solution.
It's never the right way.
Why are you down so low?
Oh, because I am not judging it
You
right.
had it was green, and then there you go. It's green.
Well, if it was daytime...
You would still not know.
Alright, jump out, make it daytime. You guys in your night operations, I just don't get it.
Well, we don't want to interfere with people's
Circadian rhythm? I'm not suggesting they're
Yeah.
not sleeping, I'm just suggesting...
Arcadia.
Oh, what is up with those... Okay. In the distance, cars look a bit funky.
They're like in and out of focus. That's really funny.
They're just sort of flat boards.
And they're shrinking and stretching.
That's kind of buggy.
Do you see the trees really far away too that are just flat?
I think those cars are actually the shadow of the vehicle.
There's no shadow in the regular vehicles though.
Underneath them there is.
Oh yeah, maybe the cars themselves aren't rendered in, but the shadows are.
Yeah,
Could be.
That's interesting.
that's very strange. How are you going with that
I placed
crossbeam?
that steel beam. I can't reach it.
Oh, you can't reach it? Okay. So I was distracted by the rectangles of glory.
They were kind of interesting.
Boom. Hey, is your music in sync with mine? Like, have you got guitar right now?
I turned off the music.
Me too.
Maybe that's why I could hear the B and you couldn't.
Ah, yeah. Oh, this is cool.
Floodlight. Oh my gosh.
Put in the fly squatter. You understand that reference, anybody?
No.
No.
In the Melbourne Cricket Ground in Australia, Melbourne,
Oh no, why would we know that?
they put in these massive light towers.
It looked like
and
a
they
fly
were-
swatter?
And they were behind the stadium. There was like, I don't know, 8 of them or 10 of them. And there was this big, huge pole with a thing like this on top. And they, as I
It just
said,
looked like a fly
it looks
swatter.
exactly like a fly squatter. It's got the same angle, same everything.
That's funny.
And so,
Oh, I liked watching that just shoink into spot. Also, well, look, oh, I did hear a bee.
I'm telling you.
When you get your viewpoint where the camera is right near the ground. Oh, I'm looking at the sun. Even virtually, I shouldn't do that. All right, so clear the marked area. We're clear. I was inside
Panel.
for that.
they're gonna
48.
Oh my goodness. You know, I'm gonna.
On my screen, it just popped that there was a floodlight to put up.
Oh.
Yeah, your synchronization's a bit off. I'd just like to point out that I'm enjoying that this isn't the tower crane right now.
Yeah.
Having to go backwards, forwards, and up, down so much. Ugh, yuck.
That's fine. There's too many components of the other one, I think.
Oh, am I inside? Ah, that was not what I thought was happening. Okay. I'm just going to go to full length here.
Where are you, Lionel?
I'm in the crane.
I know, but I was trying to work out which panel to get on.
So there's an example on the Fast Stadium about what we're doing.
It's like Lego instructions, you know.
Yeah, a little bit. Oh, wow, these are small in comparison to what we're doing. Wow. Yeah, I can see how it's 48.
Yeah, why would they make us do such a thing?
Try to get a good camera angle here.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Did you want to get a third crane, or not really?
No, I'm happy. Oh,
You just went flying.
you remember the road that we built a bridge across?
Oh my goodness. There again.
Yeah, I'm there. I'm
A
next.
couple
Again.
episodes ago, I also flung that, and she also landed there.
No, this was further. I'm up the top of the retaining wall.
Oh my
Like over there
goodness.
somewhere?
I'm next to the road at the top.
I can see you running back.
It was a long way.
So,
It was pretty amazing, though.
do you want to make some order from the chaos that is all these vehicles?
Yeah.
Just maybe put them in a row.
At least put them in a line so we can see them, yeah.
I was thinking I might just back them all off.
Yeah,
So
just-
that they...
Yeah, like park them at 90 degrees to the road and just back them into the grass. I assume our next job's going to be probably out in the middle. Doing something like, making the stadium running track or something.
Yeah.
You're
Try not
in
to
the-
make it in the zone where we might have to clear.
I was just going to put them on the other side of the road so that
Yeah,
we're not...
that should be good. I think that should work. This is a bit repetitive, but it's fun.
Yeah, I actually prefer this over concrete, so if
Oh,
that
yeah.
says anything. I like seeing that progress is being made. I feel like concrete is all in nothing. It goes out quite far, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's quite... I've got my boom extended to the max.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know how you can do it with like spoon, because I get really frustrated with the controls. It makes it much harder for me to control it.
Yeah, it gets a bit squirrely. I would agree.
Because the rope then swings so much if you move a little.
Yes, definitely.
And also it takes forever for anything to extend and retract, so.
So I think what I might do is the far ones, since I've got such a long boom. Come on. Don't glitch like that. Yeah, I'll keep on doing the far ones if you want, because I've got such a long boom.
I'm glad I don't have to do all 48 right now.
It's fun, but there's a limit of how much fun you want to do.
That was cursed, alright. One of mine has just decided to go in the middle of nowhere.
Oh. It's hard to judge the distance sometimes, like the parallax isn't really there. I don't know if you can reach the far edge where you are with your boom. I think I might have to...
I just detracted it a little bit because it was annoying me.
Props to the game makers, the shadow is being dynamically updated as everything's placed.
It's the sort of thing you don't think about until you're like, wow, this must be hard to make.
Yeah.
Wow, you guys are ripping through those roof panels.
Yeah, ripping through is the right word for it. We're not exactly... Well, I'm not exactly...
Or more than a quarter there, yeah.
No, 24's halfway, so yeah. We're a third the way there. More importantly, we are at 98% on this contract.
Yeah, we nearly got ourselves some credits to bathe in. Scrooge McDuck style.
I think there's about 6 projects in this DLC.
I wonder if we get to make the thing that Scrooge McDuck gets into.
Yeah,
The vault?
the huge like money pool.
The money pit.
The I think there's about 6 stages we've done. So we did the pedestrian thing, and then obviously there's going to be this grandstand.
It's not really about the credits though, is it? It's about the friends we made along the way.
Yeah, and
it's about the concrete we poured.
And the skill points
along the way.
It's about the distance that we've flown along the way.
Well, I'm thinking though, what are the other 4 going to be? Because we could look, I guess, but so we've got the running track probably is one of the things.
The actual field itself.
Yeah, I doubt they're going to make us make another stadium.
I wonder if they are going to have the field, like the turf as a thing.
Yeah, they'll do that as a thing.
We'll have to dig it up probably.
Yeah, we'll have to excavate and then probably use rollers and stuff. Maybe some asphalting for the running track itself.
Parking lot.
Oh, that's probably what... Yeah, it's probably a parking lot. Yes, that's probably one of the steps.
Because all this space on the right-hand side makes me...
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree. There's even a stump here.
And they are pretty good with the DLC to have every tool get used. So we haven't done the road stuff yet.
What has occurred?
That was me muting myself because I was coughing.
Oh. I thought you were giggling at something.
Yeah, nobody needs to hear me cough. I was just so excited.
So I
feel like this building over here could be our little house.
A little house, you say?
It is a house, but I'm like, is this where we live?
Canonically, no.
There's still more on my side? This pile is infinite.
Who's making more progress right now?
Well, we can probably count how many we've put in. I have done... Whoops. 1, 2... 3, 4, 5... 2?
I can tell you it's not as good.
I've done 22.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10,
no, I haven't.
11.
Yes, I have.
I've done 11, I think.
How many have I done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, 5, 10.
That's not
that can't be right. 4, 8. 4, 8, 16 plus 9. No, that's not right. I can't count them. They're
It's
such
hard.
weird shapes. What do you mean that's not how you count?
They're hard to count. 1, 2. I think it's 2 per bay, right?
I learned how to count a long time ago.
So I am going to tell you right now that each of you is taking up 3 sections, and Lion has just finished her second section, but you've done it the opposite way around, so it's hard to tell.
So you've
whether
done
you're-
4 quadrants and I've done 3 quadrants. Yeah, you're way in the lead. Yeah. Yeah, I've done 3 quadrants out of my 6, and you've done 4 quadrants out of your 6.
I guess you're booning out though, so.
Yeah, I think you're doing the short ones.
Not all of them though. I did like my whole
Do
thing.
not drop.
Did you drop something through it?
That was not something that should go in a training video.
That's not the OHS way.
Johnny Newhire did not need to see that.
Setting a bad example. We're 99% done. This is so exciting. If this roof was concrete, I'd lose my mind.
Oh, yeah. Just skip it.
So no one has that kind of time or patience.
Yeah, I'm glad we're doing this with mobile cranes and not a tower crane.
Disgusting tower crane.
The tower crane may be okay if you were able to choose where it was.
I wonder if they playtested with the tower crane or if they did it through mobile cranes.
Oh, a tower crane for sure.
But like just the tower crane?
Yeah, definitely. Guarantee it. And don't forget, their goal is to have a DLC that has a lot of hours.
Yeah, but like
Can't I?
mobile crane.
Why can't I move? Hello?
Is your
That's what
controller?
I had before.
Hi guys. Weird. I couldn't boom up and down. I was toggling between video mode or camera mode and steering and didn't fix it.
Sometimes it gets stuck on stuff.
Yeah. I could turn left and right. It was just not up and down. Yeah, I mean, they definitely want the DLC to have a certain number of hours to it. Last thing they need is like, oh, this DLC costs a lot of money and it only was 10
And it's
hours.
so short, yeah.
Yeah.
One cannot say that this DLC is devoid of content.
Nor can you say it's glitchy because you can pick people up and fly them through the air.
It's crazy, isn't it?
As an example.
We did lose a set of panels because we had a concrete truck where they spawned in.
Yeah.
And on mine it still says we need to do that. I'm on the roof.
You are welcome.
Ooh, the angle change.
We're getting close to 30 minutes, so I think we're going to make it. I think this is going to be the last episode of the Grandstand phase.
Oh my goodness. Imagine if you had to make like a 3-minute episode for the last phase.
How do you make a TikTok of this whole thing? How would
Just
you
make a
summarize
YouTube
it?
short,
Yeah, how would you make a YouTube short of the entire Grandstand?
long form content, but it's just a crane. Get it because it's long? Okay.
I didn't actually get it.
Because it's a long form.
Yeah.
Also, I think that if you had some sort of vertical video and it was craning, they'd not be anything yellow.
It's hard to kind of get around some of these posts. We are
I think booting
getting
out
very
kinda fixes
close.
that. Yeah.
Oh, look, we're both working on the same pile now.
Aw.
Aww.
And it's suspiciously close to your side.
Yeah,
Wow,
I think you have outperformed me. I really do.
I've done a lot more craning.
You
On this one, at least.
You are the crane master.
I am. I've been telling you.
So Risky, I think I did the excavation faster than you, but you've definitely done craning better than
Also,
me.
your load capacity is greater than mine.
No, we've both got the same. We've both got.
No, my skill isn't up.
Oh, you're,
all the way.
oh yeah, my skills are all maxed out. Where yours?
Yeah, you've got
not.
30% faster.
So you're saying that even with your handicap, you've beaten me.
Yeah. I mean, I didn't say it, but you said it just now.
So that's what facts are, right?
Who are you to deny?
So I'll take it at face value.
Look how good our vehicles look off the road there.
We really used a lot on this one, didn't we? Stage G.
Oh, sorry.
Oh.
Alright, I think I might let you finish this off.
Yeah?
Yeah, because we're just going to hit heads.
Alright, I can let you do the last one
No,
here.
you can do it.
Alright.
Actually, let me go for a ride.
Yeah, you wanna hop on?
Yeah,
You wanna jump on too?
I'm already on the roof.
Yeah, but you could jump off,
That's right.
suffer ankle damage, and
So,
then...
but I like
I'm
it,
pretty
yeah.
sure all of this is from the runway job.
Alright, hop on.
Crane me up. Yeah.
You want an overview from really high up?
Yeah, give me a nice overview. I'll zoom out as much as I can.
Aerial view.
Pretty cool.
Best view in the house.
Yeah, I'm really glad we did this level multiplayer. I think it's been one of the more enjoyable ones. We had lots of extensive stuff to do, so it was good to cut down the time a bit. I'm gonna
Oh, give all the viewers motion sickness.
throw it. And I landed on the roof. Oh, I love the metal sound.
Hello.
Hello, that's very cool. Let's change
And look, it really is a good view.
to
I
midday.
watch sunset from here.
Oh, I just got rid of it.
Change it back, change it back.
Never. Team noon. I'm not team
I'm
sunset.
moving the crane to, by the other one.
See the stadium. That's very cool. Look what we did, moving the lights at the end. Alright. Should we
Clear the
finish
marked
this thing
area.
off?
the
And
crane.
YOLO! Boom. Stage complete. Speak with the architect.
Speak with the architect. I'm so
Is
ready.
this where he tells us it's wrong?
This is the guy
Redo
here.
it. Yeah.
No, I mean on the other side of the road.
I'm going to participate.
Ah, well, I hadn't thought about the roofs getting in the crane's way.
Oh, they did.
Sort
They
that
knew it
out.
all along.
Now, you might be wondering why I didn't consider that, and
How's that for
well,
timing? The
it's just
plane
that
going
I
overhead
haven't
at the same
been on
time?
building site for a while. I'm usually so busy that I don't have time for it. And when I say a while, I mean, well, maybe for the last 20 years. But you have to understand, there is no bigger soccer fan than my dad. So, given the opportunity like this, how could I pass it up? This is probably the most important building I've ever designed. And I still know a thing or two about plans. It's just that I'm a bit out of practice when it comes to construction sites. If I just looked over
Okay,
my
so the
shoulder for a
storyline is
while,
bad
I'm
at
sure
that.
it would all come back to me. in
Pro
no
is a
time.
bad construction worker. I can't believe that he would intentionally put all of that in my way.
Boom.
Whoa!
What?
It just like
Popped
my
into
God.
existence.
There we go. Job complete. A grandstand. This
it is grand.
It's FC Friedenberg because the town we're in is called Friedenberg.
I see.
Very
Soccer.
cool. Thanks for all the help. It
I
was,
love all these trees. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I love that they got mature trees. That was more expensive than the cost for the grandstand.
and there's the plane that was going over that ruined all the audio.
I wish we could go inside.
I know, I feel
We
so
were inside all that time. I want to walk into the thing to see how it looks from the inside.
For sure.
Does it look grand?
It's standing also. It's got a little fire extinguisher. That's my favorite part.
Because, you know, concrete and fire.
I would like to have craned that fire extinguisher in.
All right.
Yep.
Yeah, it looks
It
like
doesn't
there's...
let us in now that it's made. I'm so mad.
I'm pretty
I
sure
would be in there so bad.
we can get a crane and crane ourselves onto it. Anyway.
Yeah. Flip into it.
Should we have a quick sneak peek of what is left to do?
100%, yeah.
What's that going to be under? Campaign, DLC. It's going to be, we've done the grandstand, it's going to be the VIP lounges.
Is that in this grandstand?
It is another East Stand concept. Includes a press room and VIP lounges requiring the use of various construction materials.
That's why they didn't let us in, because we have to do it now.
Yeah, we're going to become VIPs, but that will be all next time. Where'd you guys go? Lost you.
Oh, we were just distracting. Oh,
Yeah,
there's like a person sign up.
I know, I love it. Yes, that's what I was
Stand
just
up in
looking
front of this
at.
sign.
This is where people stand, and 3 people are
We're gonna
there.
get Donut to stand behind us so it matches this sign.
Where'd you go?
That's right.
Over here,
around
over
this
here.
side. Where the people picture is. Come around.
Look.
Aw, people. All right.
No, but look at the people picture.
No,
yeah.
I'm not trying to. All right, I'm not very good at controlling. There we go. All right, thanks everybody for watching. We'll see you next time as we do some VIP stuff.
Bye, guys.
See you
See you
next time.
then.